Hi, I'm Chef Ananya Banerjee and today's recipe is very close to my heart. Why? It comes from Kolkata. The chow mein, what is made in Chinatown of Kolkata. I'm trying and replicating that. Let's get started. For chow mein, first thing first, boil some noodles. I've kept some water and this noodles, I'll just plunge it in water and let it cook. You should not overcook your noodles. It takes about 2 minutes to 3 minutes for the noodles to get done. So the noodles are done now. What you have to do is take it out in a strainer and wash it off in running water till your noodles don't feel any warm. That means your noodles, when you touch it, it should not be warm at all. It should be cold. Just hold it under running water and cool it down. This is absolutely cold now. I just put it in this bowl, add a little bit of oil and keep the noodle aside. Now why I'm showing you this is, if you follow this step, you will always get the Hakka noodles what you get outside, that quality. Your noodles will not stick to each other and you can make this and just stir fry the rest when you're serving your guests. So this is absolutely foolproof. Keep it aside. For chow mein, first some oil, some onion. After the chopped onions, some chopped garlic, some chopped ginger, some green chilies, paste and both sliced. Now I'll add all the veggies. Cabbage, some capsicum and some carrots. Quick toss and high heat is the essence of Chinese cooking. You don't have to fully cook the vegetables. The crunch should be there when you're cooking Chinese food. Quite done. I'll add some sauces. This is not Chinese, but normally the Chinatown and other Chinese eateries use it. Tomato ketchup, some chili sauce, some soy sauce, some black pepper, and again give a good toss. Now comes the noodles. Some spring onion greens, a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of sugar balances out the whole thing. Some coriander leaves and mix it well. Add some salt to taste. Soy sauce has a good amount of salt, so use with caution. Chinatown style chow mein is ready. Some spring onion greens on top and some coriander leaves. तो ये लो आपके लिए रेडी है चाइनाटाउन वाला चाउमीन रेसिपी. अगर अच्छी लगी तो do definitely try this at home and let me know the outcome. Like, comment, share and subscribe.